How's it going? We are the Glados group of ICS 321. I'm Joneal.
Yeah. And Justin.
So for our project, we decided to use Java with MySQL, and we decided to do our database on electronics and the electronics industry. And so basically, we made a database with a bunch of companies, the items they make, and a few details about them. For example, for company, um, we have the company name, uh, the I guess
They started.
the date they started,
The formation date.
and for product, just a few products they might sell. For computers, we have like the typical specs where you have the computer name, the date it was released, a model number, screen size, resolution, the people who made it, its memory, its operating system, what kind of computer, the input as well as output.
The video output.
For games, we have the game name, the game when it was released, its game ID, its ESRB rating, and for this rating, it's user rating. The company who made it, just a brief description of what the game does and its current price. For phones, this table is actually for cell phones. Um, Much like the other ones, release date and name, screen size, memory. Basically, has a few lesser attributes from a computer. And then we also have a table called platform and television.
Okay, for our project, we decided to use a window made in Java, which allows you to search for a database, compare, save queries, and to and to search and to search starting from a starting point already. So if as you can see when we run the program, it's a simple text window that you can print out to with buttons on top that you can access the different features of the program. For example, if you go to game, you can search up a name, and in our demo we have SimCity, and it will print out to the window as you see here.
Okay, so the way we did it, Justin did the user interface. So what his intention was, if a user already knew what kind of item they wanted to search for, they could go by what kind of its type. So, for example, what we just exhibited was a game search, so we can just go directly to game. However, if you wanted to look for a company, you would go to company or platform for any type of gaming platform. If you want to search for both laptop and PC, you would go to computer. If you want to search for any smartphone, you'd go here to phone. For televisions, you go to television. If you're not sure what you want to search for, you can just click here on search. And we can go to, let's say, we want to search for a game again. You can search for the same game. Name. And it would bring up the same thing. Um, for Leon's portion of the code, he did the actual SQL. So, uh,
So for example, let's see here. For example, for games, the skill is what this is to select all the attributes from the games table, in which the user would type in which he wanted to search for, and it would search for through that name. And this is how the this is how the SQL will work. And it's exactly how it was demonstrated in the window.